Hi, I'm Connor from Fanshawe College, and I'm here to walk you through how to apply for an apprenticeship program at Fanshawe. No matter which apprenticeship program you're interested in, the first thing you'll need to do is find an employer who will support you in your apprenticeship training. If you need help with finding a sponsor employer, please email Employment Ontario at contacteo@ontario.ca or visit the Ontario Job Bank online at jobbank.gc.ca. Once you have found a sponsor employer, your employer must contact the Ministry of Labour, Training and Skills Development to complete an application for apprenticeship training. If you are 18 years old or older, you can complete your application online, and it only takes about 10 minutes. If you are 16 or 17 years old, then the process is slightly different. Email us at apprentice@fanshawec.ca to get help. Once your application has been completed, your ministry training consultant will explain how to sign and register a training agreement, as well as provide you with a book to record your learning and training hours as applicable. You will then be notified when your apprentice school seat at Fanshawe is available. The date of your contract establishes your schooling seniority date, and seats are assigned on a first-come, first-served basis. Within 90 days of signing your training agreement, apply for a membership to the Ontario College of Trades at collegeoftrades.ca. You must be a member of the Ontario College of Trades to work as an apprentice. Congratulations! You've successfully applied for an apprenticeship and are now ready to start your apprenticeship journey at Fanshawe College. Keep a close eye on your email for next steps from us before you begin your first day. To learn more about how to apply for an apprenticeship, visit ontario.ca/apprenticeship or email us at apprentice@fanshawec.ca with any questions you have. We're always here to help.